Easter. Let's look ahead to some of these holidays that are just around the corner. Cinco de Mayo, 14 days away. Mother's Day, 20 days away. Time to start putting in that approval for Memorial Day. That's 35 days away. So you know what? The weather as we start off the work week is actually pretty quiet. Yesterday was an excellent Easter. I hope you had a wonderful day. Today we'll have passing high clouds and the temperatures will continue to be warm inland. Now the rest of the week, temperatures will slowly come down. By the end of the week, we're going to have highs in the 60s. And a big reason for that is the marine layer is going to be expanding. So today, rays for days. You're going to need the sunglasses and the sunscreen. But with each passing day, the marine layer is going to grow. And that means for our friends in the deserts and mountains, the winds are going to be increasing. Here's what I've got for you. This morning, things are quiet. The numbers are in the 50s. We've got 30s over in Big Bear, chilly there. But check out the afternoon temperatures and where your city is going to come in. We'll have 60s at the coast, low 70s for the Basin Orange County. Look at the valleys and Inland Empire. Upper 70s, low 80s. So it's going to be toasty. 80s also in the deserts, and our friends over in Big Bear will have temperatures around 63 degrees. Now let's look ahead. Today in Glendale, 75. And notice how temperatures Tuesday come down. Wednesday, a few more degrees, temperatures at 72. And we'll have the marine layer expanding. So here's the big weather setup right now. Things are quiet. We're kind of in the zonal flow. But watch what happens Tuesday into Wednesday and even into Thursday. You see these lines? These are isobars. So when we start to see these lines start to dip, that means cooler air starts to spread into the area. And that means onshore flow starts to strengthen. That's the reason why the marine layer is going to be expanding. As we get towards the end of the week, we have a big trough over the west coast. Some instability up to the north. As of now, it doesn't look like we're going to get any rain from that. I'll let you know. But we will have a deep marine layer at the end of the week that has a possibility of squeezing out some drizzle. So a few days to get there, and we'll let the forecast come into better focus. Right now, at least the short term, is staying dry, it's staying sunny, and it's going to stay warm inland. 60s at the coast, 70s inland, and you see how the temperatures come down. The rest of the week, the temperatures are going to be in the upper 60s for the Basin Orange County, and the temperatures will stay pretty steady at the coast in the low 60s. The weather in the valleys and Inland Empire, here's a spot where we're going to notice the difference in the temperatures in the coming days. 80s and 70s today. Tomorrow we shave off a few degrees, then temperatures in the low 70s and even 60s as we get towards the end of the weekend into the weekend. Now in the desert, you have 80s today and tomorrow in the high desert, then 70s, the low desert, hot one, 90, then upper 80s Tuesday and Wednesday, mid 80s by the end of the week. So the relief is a few days away for you in Palm Springs, and in the mountains, temperatures will be in the 60s through Thursday, and then temperatures cooling down in the 50s from Friday into the weekend. That's your forecast, everyone. Stay cool on the roads. Here's Holly Haniel.